everybody, and welcome back to Motorcycles and Pancakes. If you are new here, I really appreciate you turning the motor off, putting the kickstand down, and joining me for a few minutes. My name is Ian, and I am your resident pancake heathen. Today I am super excited. I am on my way to go meet not only my pops, but the one, the only, the man, the myth, and the legend, the neighbor Dave. I haven't ridden with Dave for quite a while, and he's got a pretty high profile job, and he just kind of retired from it and he had started another job. So needless to say, the guy has been busy. So we're on our way to go pick him up, and we're going to do a little bit of riding today. So let's go get the boys, shall we? Well, we have the band back together, everybody. We have the neighbor Dave leading the way up here. We got my pops right in front of me, waving, giving a little bit of a fist bump. Say hello, pops. And there we go. I know GoPro isn't very good at showing distance stuff, but just ahead of me there's a mountain with some radio towers on the top. That is Goat Mountain. We're actually going to go on the other side of that, and we're going to head up the Molalla River, and we're just going to see where we run into the snow today. Don't know how far we can go, but I think we're going to get some pretty good distance on gravel roads. So let's keep on riding and let's get some music going. Part of the Riverside fire that we're riding through right now. You can see it's all burned and not looking very good, but you know, in our little time here that we get on Earth, this is actually the best thing for the forest. It's unfortunate, it's ugly, but at least my granddaughter will be able to come up here and enjoy this green lush forest back when she's my age. Well, we just passed a couple cars and we got the snow line coming up, so we might be able to make the washout, but maybe not. Looks like where the logging operations is going.
I think the story of the last grizzly bear in Northern Oregon. I read an article about it. This was back
Well, apparently the grizzlies are back.
Oh, good. I didn't know that. But down in southern Oregon, right near the, not far from the California border, there was a huge grizzly bear. Really old. I forget what it, he had. Everybody knew him, you know. He had a name, and he was really intense all the time. And
Look at that view.
They were trying to get him for a long time. They never did, but finally they got him, and several guys, you know, went out on hunt to kill him. You know, that's what you do in those days. You killed everything that moved.
Right.
But they said when they finally got him, he was just full of bullets. That, you know, old ones that had healed over, and other, you know, newer ones.
Oh, jeez.
I had pictures of him in this newspaper article I saw. And, you know, the history stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, he wasn't just a grizzly. He was huge.
Well, we did find the snow right here, and we already did a little bit of a reconnaissance walk, and we think we can make it through here and keep riding for a little bit. Dave, he's gonna hammer it first. I was gonna go, but he wanted to be the cool guy. So let's see if he can make it. Well, what do you think? Well, you just saw Dave go through the middle there. I'm going to take a little bit of a different route. I'm going to kind of hang out a little bit over here. Make sure if I tip over, I tip over to the snow. No. That's fine. Okay, making it pretty easy. Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
I think you should put a snowplow in front of that thing.
That was actually pretty easy. I'll go take a recon. This section we could probably ride all the way around it. Okay, well, let's go back down and See what's up with the boys here. Whew. This is a pretty steep section right here, actually. I know the pros are a little deceiving on it. I don't know why I'm going this way. Hey, whoop. That was a lot of fun. Hey guys, come here often?
Nope.
So I think we could ride around that one a lot easier than this one up here.
Yeah.
A little bit. You can see the top of the ridge right there. We're almost there, actually.
Actually, control's kind of nice. I can certainly live without it. Well, like I said, I've been in trouble using it before. Oh. Okay. You know what's next.
Yep. All right. That's not ice, it's just water. No, just go to the right.
It doesn't get bad until the waves after this one. It's not as bad as what we just went through.
All right, this is the one, I believe.
Yeah, this is where I turned around, I think. We'll blaze a trail. And he's doing all the hard work.
I think this is going to be a little more challenging than the other one just because this is so soft.
Yeah, you got that hard packed gravel under snow, you got mud under snow.
Yeah. We'll try a little bit. Woo. Yep. I'm digging a hole.
I'll come help you in a second.
No, we'll come help you in a second.
Yeah. Two buddies. Off to a good start.
I think we'll get up and turn around after this one, Dave.
Yeah. I was off there this dark now. Really sucked. Wait till you get like, give me a push again.
Okay. so bad. Well, yeah, this would be the one that would end our journey anyways right here. Whew, well, that was definitely a little adventurous. Definitely getting our workout in for the day. Definitely wanted to see how far we can go. We made it about that far. So 3,700 feet is where I'm at right now. About 3,750 is where we were gonna have to turn around anyways. Yeah, there's no way we would have made that next one. There's no way we would have made the next one. All right. What the hell happened there? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, that was some good adventure riding. Yeah. Definitely got a little bit of an adventure. Can't believe Dave got stuck and made us all turn around though. Yeah. Hey man, I wanted to stop and just take a look at this view. Yeah, I mean, we got some clear cuts on the other side there, but man, look at just beautiful. I don't know if you could tell, but right over here, that's Table Mountain. You can actually do a really beautiful hike up to the top of that, and I'd imagine there's quite a few people up there today. Fun fact is, I came through here once upon a time and saw a bear. Came around a corner, I had to slam on my brakes. Bear in the middle of the road. You probably remember that from the Instagram story a long time ago. But what a ride up here. What a ride. This is good stuff. There's Dave. Hey guys. What's up? Anything fun in there? Not really. Pretty standard quarry with a bunch of shotgun shells, and stay away from the... Look at this. Look at him. Okay. All right. You going up it again?
Sure.
Yeah, I'll film you. Well, I hope you like this episode of, we're just going to call it How Far Will We Make It, because we ran into all that snow up there. We're just about to the main road, so we're going to go ahead and sign off. It was awesome riding with the neighbor Dave. Of course, as usual, as we always say at the end of the videos, ride safe and eat more pancakes.